Hi y'all, my name is Chloe, Team Confidence Grade 3. Today I'm gonna be doing my PBA for AP and Science. Me and my mom were supposed to go to the museum, but we had no time, so we just did research to find a Filipino artist. The artist's name is Maribeli Arnaldo. I found her works on a website called Philippine Art. This is her picture. Based on what my mom and I found about her, she was a fine art student in University of Santo Tomas. She has been making art since she was just a little toddler, and she came from a family of artists. Her works often depict birds, flowers, marine creatures. I enjoy looking at her artworks. It was very beautiful and it also reminded me of my love for paintings. And I even made paintings which turned out to have the same style as hers, but of course it's not as good as hers. I mean, she's literally way better than me.
Okay, can you show your painting?
Where? Here, and I also made another one. I just made it earlier.
Okay. Now you show her artwork.
Yeah, she has more artworks, and this is one of them. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be a sparrow. I love the background. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And yeah, this is another one. I love the shading and stuff. So beautiful. I'm obsessed. And this another sunflower. I usually do sunflowers when I need to draw a flower, but of course hers is way way better than what I do. Yeah, and this is a closing message from me. The importance of
What is the
uh,
importance of art?
the importance of art is so we can fight off the AI generated art because it's not by actual humans. It's basically by a robot, and we don't want the world to get taken over by robots, right?
Well, bakit important yung art? Is it inspiring people to take care of our planet, to take care of our mother nature?
Yes, it's like spreading the how much stuff you can do with your hands. I mean, like, it's not just for eating or like touching random stuff, it's like for making gorgeous masterpieces. And even if you're not good at drawing, you can still try it and you could get better. That's all. Bye.